Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're simply going to be installing a mod on the BMW. Now I already have the BMW up, so let's go ahead and open it. And cool, we have carbon fiber, these carbon fiber side skirts, and I am super excited to install them. We're going to be installing them, but first what I am probably going to do is I'm going to get like a ceramic coat and then coat them, and then that way, you know, they don't mess up too bad. But yeah, anyway, we're going to go ahead and install them on the car right now with some hardware. And these are the screws that it has. I'm not really a fan of these, but I'm still going to go ahead and install it, and then later on we will go ahead and change these out probably tomorrow. And but I just kind of want to go ahead and put it on there and see how it looks. So this is all one side of the side skirt, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out and hopefully it fits. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna lay this out. I know this is the wrong side, but I'm just going to lay it out. Let's just go to the right side. Let's just go to the right side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay this out how it should be. I'm just gonna kind of mock it up here and go from there. So I think I'm gonna leave it out to here. I'll leave it here, and then if I don't like it here, I can always move it back that way, and that way the holes won't be showing. So I think I'm gonna leave it about here, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put this one and make sure it's the one that has these slots right there. These little screws will go on these two holes there. And I'm using these as well, so when I'm screwing the side skirt on there, I'm doing this one on here, and then, so let me show you. Okay, so it's gonna be like this, and I'm gonna install one of these on the bottom like this, and then the other one under here, so this won't have, so this right here, this joint won't have so much stress on it. This side over here, and there you have it. We'll get a cinematic video done after the whole thing is installed, so that way you guys could go ahead and check it out. But yeah, pretty happy with the result.